Assalamualaikum. Let's make forest floor in Blender. To make forest floor, we need plane, so we will delete this cube. Shift A, mask plane. The size will be 20 meters. Go to edit mode, loop cut, give loop cut to our plane. 15 will do. Now activate the proportional editing. When it is smooth, select one of the vertices. G, Z, scroll up, move up. We will make this plane uneven. Now we are ready. Go back to object mode, right click set smooth. We will need Blenderkit. So if you don't have Blenderkit asset yet, go to Blenderkit website, download the Blenderkit and install it in your Blender. I will search for the materials. And here we have many choices for our forest floor. Let's make the material for K, and this Blenderkit materials. Import setting, append, select 4K, go back to Blenderkit, search for the forest grown. I think I like this one. See in the viewport setting, there we have our forest grown. Looks weird from distance, but it's alright from up close. Now we have our forest grown, so we will search for model. The K is grass. Or not grass. Try flower. And here we have a set of grass and flower and stone. I'll download this and hide the Blenderkit asset bar for now. Go to low poly nature set. Where is that nature set? There we are. Let's move it to the side of our forest grown. Select all these models. Now we have our set of grass and flower and stone. We will select our forest grown. Go to particle properties. Add particle system. Here, this will be 100. No, maybe 27. 40 flower. Render object flower 1. Scale up, scale randomness up, click advance, click rotation, global Z, no, global X, yes, and then randomize up, just a little bit, and then randomize space up, again just a little bit, scale down, there we go, our follower. I think this is enough. This will be 0. Let's see them up close from camera. Now let's spread another flower and grass and stone. Go back to particle system, rename this flower 1, add another particle system, this will be flower 2. Here from the flower one, change the seed, now our object and our flowers and grass and stone already spread more randomly. We can we can hide this low pollinator set, and we're finished with our forest crown. I'm happy enough with the final result. I hope this video will be useful, and that's it for our tutorial. See you in the next video. Assalamualaikum.